Beer Master here today in the Car Master. Today we have a Nissan Sentra 15. This goes for multiple years. So you're going to take this tail light out to change a bulb or change the assembly. The first thing you want to do is take this trim off. There's these little clips here. You want to take out all this stuff. You just pry them out. Get those clips. You got to take that rear body trim panel off. That is just held on by these pressure clips and two in there that you have to pry out. So you take that off, take the trim off, and if you look in here, our lighting is not very good. There are two 10 millimeters. We're going to unscrew them, and then there's a little slide clip in here that holds it on. So we're going to take them off first. So now that we got both of them out, you got to try to wiggle it out, and if it comes, it'll come out. But what I like to do is try to wiggle from here, but also hit it that way. See that? Came off. That one came off actually easy. Sometimes you got to really bang them. There's a little slide there, and a little clip there that it slides onto. Now to take the I'm going to take that out. I'm going to take the bulbs out. We're going to screw them. This is how you change the bulbs. Alright, so it spins, usually to the left. Oh, I got my finger in there. Hold that. There it is. So what we do is spin it and slide it out, and there's the bulb, and you just pull it out like this. And we just drop the bulb, and that's how you change the bulb. You can take it to your local supply house or tell them what the bulb is for, if it's a reverse light, turn light, year, make, and model of the car. And some of the bulbs have numbers on it. So you can do that with the rest of them, or you can go in here, right there, and you can disconnect that right there, and the whole assembly wiring will come out with it. And then to put it back in, you just put it back the opposite way, and that's it. Joe Beer Master, I hope this helped. Car Master, please subscribe, share with a friend.